To start with, we pulled this air filter housing off like 50 times. I'm good at that. I can take an air filter off in no time. Under this air filter box, the brand new AC compressor for the front air conditioner unit. We have a new belt, which was a nightmare, but we finally got the right length. As you can see, we have this really nice black grill. Used to be ugly and gray. And then look at this fender. This thing was a booger when we got it. Pulled it off, straightened it out, did a little body work on it, painted just a fender. Hopefully it matches the bus well enough.
It does.
First attempt at body work, I think it went well. We also lifted this dude up, pulled the tire off. We have new wheel bearings and new brakes. New mud flaps. We have one on both sides. When we get back here, there's nothing that really stands out that's different. If you took a really close look at the reverse lights, you would notice there is an upgraded LED reverse light in there. All right. We also have exhaust hangers that we have replaced under here. We went through, we evaluated what was there. The exhaust was actually cradled down in the bumper. So the reason we needed to replace that was that exhaust off the bumper and back up where it was supposed to be and supported the way it needed to be. All right, we're gonna go inside this bus now and show you a few more things. We have a nifty switch. This activates the AC compressor, which in turn makes the bus blow cold air. We have removed stereo and a lot of other unnecessary wiring in the dash and throughout the bus. Here is our reverse camera. This is the inside of the rear view camera, the wiring, the reset button. It's tied into the running light. Back behind this big cover here, if we unbuckled some straps and things, we would be able to see a brand new turbo, which really wasn't that bad to change. A little section of the dash was kind of dangling and sad looking. So we pulled it apart, pulled the clips. We epoxied the clips back to the dash and let it set and then plugged it all back in place. So we've got that fixed. And behind this cover, we removed the wire that used to run across the front of the bus, but this is now where our green wire rests. There was a cluster of wires all through here that just vanished one day. We also took the time to pull the heater unit. We did a lot of work to this bus. It's kind of hard to remember as we're going through with the video exactly everything we did and the process and the steps involved with everything. But he's got a nice running bus now. There you go, Rio.
Thank you, Chris.
No problem, man. Anytime. Installed a remote start on this thing. It's controlled by an app on your phone. Let's see if I can get this thing to start. Nice. No, I'm joking. It's Justin. He's in the driver's seat.